Want to add fun emoji to customize your Discord server? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, before we get started, my name is Chase and I make streamer support videos. I also stream 2 out of every 3 days on twitch.tv/ChaseBeyond. Feel free to hit me up with any questions you may have about streaming, whether I'm live, in my DMs, or in the comments, and I will do my best to give you a solution. So, adding emoji to your Discord server can bring a fair amount of fun and engagement to your community. They can be used to easier express emotions, or just to have some lulz in chat. They can also be used as reactions to any post. In your Discord server, you can add up to 50 custom emoji that anyone in your community can use. On top of that, you can add another 50 custom animated GIF emoji that is usable by anyone in your server with Discord Nitro. Both of those numbers can be increased to up to 250 emoji and 250 animated GIF emoji through server boosting. Also, if you have a Discord Nitro subscription, you can use any emoji that you get from one server and use it on any other server that you'd like, as long as that server grants permissions. So, I'm going to show you how to get those emoji and demonstrate a few ways that you can use them yourself. Okay, first things first, we have to find the emoji that we want for our server. So how do we go about doing that? Well, there's a couple websites I recommend. Franker Faces, Emoji.gg, BetterTTV. These are great websites for having ready to go emoji ready for your server. Other than that, there's some other sites out there, and if you're feeling artistic, you could also make your own emoji. But that's another thing. So if you'd like to do that, you can do that as well. But I'm going to show you how to find some ready to go emoji. Okay, so we're actually going to find some emoji for my server. I've opened up Emoji.gg and BetterTTV, a couple of those sites I mentioned earlier. Let's go ahead and get on in there. So for Emoji.gg, this is a great site because it has got categories on the left here if you're looking for particular categories of emoji. Also, there's a good search bar up here, which for some reason a lot of these emoji sites don't have great search bars. Not sure why, but that's just how it is. So I've actually got one in mind that I want. We'll search for it. Search Patrick because I like Patrick from SpongeBob. And then as you can see, there's PNGs and GIFs. GIFs, of course, are animated. PNGs are static images. So let's see if we can find the particular one I'm looking for. There we go, right there. Patrick Scream. I like this one. It's a PNG, non-animated. We'll take it. So from here, all you got to do is download. We'll download that. And we're going to save that. Okay, we're going to save it. And then we make sure that we save it as a PNG. That way, especially if you have a form figure emoji, kind of like mine with Patrick, that it cuts out the transparencies. So if you save it as a PNG, you're not going to have the background. It's just going to be Patrick or whatever you choose. Okay, now we're going to find ourselves a GIF, an animated emoji. And I'm using BetterTTV. You can do the same on the other website or whatever website you want, but we're going to use BetterTTV for this one. So you'll notice on BetterTTV that it's kind of fun going to the top emotes and just like scrolling down, because you've got all these emotes just like hanging out, bebopping around, just dancing and all that fun stuff. And it's just kind of fun to just scroll through them and just kind of see which ones you can find. But I think what we're going to do is we're going to choose this one right here. This one's going to be for our mods. So if our mods are being good, we'll give them this one. Pet the mod. So we'll get that one. So how we get that one is we just right click it, right click the biggest image, as long as it's not too big of a file size. You can find out how big of a file size it is after you download it. So I'll save this one in my desktop, and I'm going to go in folder and bring this over here. And then let me just check how much is going on in here. 32 kilobytes, so it's not bad. You want to make sure it's under 256 kilobytes. So we've downloaded that, and now we can use it as a GIF. All right, so now that we have our emoji, let's throw them up on our Discord. So here's what we do. We go to our Discord channel, and we have to be the owner of the Discord or have permissions to add emoji to add the emoji. So we're going to go up to our Discord name, and then we're going to go to server settings. We're going to click on that. And then we're going to hit the emoji button. And from here, you'll see the list of all your emojis, which you probably don't have any yet if you're watching this video. So we're going to add them. Also, keep in mind, again, it lists here, emoji must be under 256 kilobytes in size. Keep that in mind in case you do have an image that's a little too high quality. And then find a smaller version of that. All right, so we're going to hit upload emoji. And then we're going to scroll into our files and find the ones we just downloaded. Throw Patrick out there. There's Patrick. Already he's there, ready to go. We upload our GIF. Pet the mods. Upload. And there it is. So that's how you get those in there. You can also adjust their names because by default they'll have their file names. So you can adjust the names if you'd like to. Whatever it is, whatever their name is, you can type that name in with the 2 dots on the left and right side, and then your emoji will show up in your Discord chat. Otherwise, the easy way to do it, you'll have buttons you can press for each emoji, and I'll show you where that's at. So we're going to exit this, and we're going to use our emojis. So to use your emojis, what you do is you go into your chat, and then click on the little smiley face here, and then you can find the ones you just added. So we'll find, where's Patrick? There's Patrick. Press enter. There he is. And also be aware that if you say type something in and then you put an emoji in that same line, you can actually shrink the emoji down to match the text size. Now, to avoid that, all you got to do is either type before, hit enter, and then type your emoji, put your emoji in, or type after. Now, we can also throw out our GIF emoji as well. So let's do that. Boom, there it is. There's our GIF. Of course, GIFs are only available if you have Discord Nitro to use for yourself. Okay, so if you want to do a reaction to a post, all you got to do is you just got to highlight a post that you want to react to. Click on the smiley face with the plus, add reaction. Brings up your emoji menu. And for this one, I'm going to do Pet the Mods because Flooper is a good mod on my Twitch channel. And so we pet the mod. Anyways, and you can add more emotes, emojis if you'd like to post. You can stack them as much as you want. There's a limit, but it's quite a lot of them. So you can add reactions to just about any post. So that's how you get emojis on your Discord server. Now, if you want to add them through your mobile app, say if you use the mobile app exclusively, you can follow the same tutorial virtually the same way. It's pretty one-to-one as far as the settings and the menus and how to add the emojis. Discord emojis are fun, and it's fun to watch my members use the ones that I've picked out. Now, go out and enjoy this on your own servers. Or if you'd like, join my Discord channel. We've got a link to that in the description box below. We've got all kinds of channels to hang out in if you're interested in that. Also, we have a streamer support channel in there. If you want to ask any questions at any time, feel free to hop in there and ask away. We'll be there to answer your questions. And again, feel free to check us out on twitch.tv/ChaseBeyond. We stream there all the time. So come on down, hang out with us if you'd like, say hello. It'd be awesome. And of course, if you're interested in seeing some more videos, we're coming out with a video every week. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. What's the matter? Sprain your ankle?